There's nothing like being out in one of your parks. My main thing is I get to talk to people. How's it going, fellas? All right, good luck to you. How you doing, ma'am? Good, great. Well, we'll see you next time. It's also about constantly moving. I'm constantly doing something because, you know, I'm just a doer. We are entrusted to upkeep the places that people enjoy every day. 1, completely full. 2, 3. And this was a light weekend. We operate 7 days a week, but there wouldn't be people like me to do the work without the Parks Levy.
The Parks Levy is the engine that makes King County's huge network of green space and recreation possible. It's a voter-approved property tax that runs on a 6-year cycle, and it funds almost everything to keep our county parks, trails, and natural areas open and available to everyone. That includes taking care of our parks on a daily basis and long-term environmental initiatives. There are also spaces to serve our community.
I started coming here when I was around 12 years old. My home life was very unorganized. It was nice to have some kind of structure in my life where I could come to a space and felt like I could communicate with anyone about my life.
When I was growing up, I have no place to go after school. I was very fortunate that I have good people to help guide me here. We're here still repaying it back.
The White Center Team Program is a free drop-in team program from 3 to 8 p.m.
The goal of the program is to help every teen find success, and that looks different for every single youth that comes through our doors.
There's always something for everyone.
They come here with their friends, be themselves.
It's always, fun, interactive.
I want the kids to feel the comfort level that I felt. It's a foundation, it's a firm foundation that the community know you don't have it anywhere else besides Steve Cock Memorial Park in White Center.
Levy dollars even go to community groups that have their own amazing ideas for connecting to the outdoors in ways that are meaningful to them.
Back in Kenya where I grew up, our cultural practices are to grow our own foods from farms. So when I came to America, we were not accustomed to buying groceries at the grocery store. I joined Wakulima because I felt the need to continue the same tradition, to continue the same culture. When we got the award for the Parks Levy, is to reach out to more community members and engage them. We found out there's a lot of need, and now we are about 30 to 40 farmers here. We come to the farm, we release our stress, we talk to our peers, we bond with the soil. This is where we exist now, this is the land we live in, but we're bringing our little Africa to America.
Parks, trails, natural areas, they really are one of the places in our society that everyone is welcome, everybody can be included, everybody can participate. It really is everyone's big backyard.
Visit one of your parks. I guarantee it will be most gratifying. It's how I feel.